Hey, what's going on? Aziz here. So you are finally ready for the LeadsMate AI review. So that's how the LeadsMate AI dashboard looks like, right? And if you have been looking for a good alternative, right, for the LeadsGorilla, then really the LeadsMate AI is a good option. So the very first step to do is to connect your API keys. The API key for Google, Facebook, ChatGPT, all those good stuff, right? So that is the very first thing to do. So, and you have each time a video, right, that will teach you exactly how to do. So it will show you exactly how to do that, right? So mobile API, you click here, and then finally you will end up over here, and you do some 1-2 steps. You grab your API key and you do the integration. So very easy to do, right? And after that, you can have your Google Leads over here, domain leads, LinkedIn, Facebook, right? Each time by adding like a keyword, an initial keyword, you want to enter the location, and the area, right? So, and it's going to be the same thing with the domain leads, the LinkedIn, right? And also the Facebook leads, right? The same thing, right? So here you have the leads manager. You have the lead manager where you will see your total leads, and of course you can extract them if you want to. And here you can contact your leads, right? You can contact, and also you can email the leads, right? So that's why they say that if you want, you don't need to do cold calling, so you have also some email templates that you can use, right? You can create your email, and we have some template here, that we can really use, and we can also edit the emails, etc. And we have ConvertBox, FluxAwayPy, WebP, and this one, and the lead extractor, right? So what else? So we have tutorials also. So that's basically a quick overview of the LeadsMate AI dashboard. How it is inside. Okay guys, so this is really a very, very quick short video. So if you have any question, please put them in the comments, so I will do my best to answer them. Thanks guys, and see you in the next video.